AnyDesk versus Jump Desktop. Which remote desktop tool wins? Choosing the right remote desktop software can transform how you access devices remotely without lag or security issues. Both offer powerful features but differ in speed and platform support. AnyDesk Bump and Jump Desktop are popular remote desktop tools designed for seamless remote access. The core difference lies in AnyDesk's focus on ultra-low latency and lightweight performance, while Jump Desktop emphasizes multi-protocol support and ease of use across platforms. AnyDesk is a remote desktop application built for fast, secure connections with minimal latency. It uses proprietary DeskRT codec technology to compress and transfer image data efficiently, ensuring smooth control even on low bandwidth. AnyDesk supports Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, making it versatile for various devices. Its strengths include fast response times, high frame rates, and robust security features such as TLS 122, encryption, and two-factor authentication. However, the free version limits commercial use and some advanced features, and it may require a learning curve for beginners. AnyDesk is ideal for IT professionals, remote workers, and anyone needing reliable, high-performance remote access without heavy resource consumption. Jump Desktop is a remote desktop tool that supports multiple protocols including RDP and VNC, allowing access to a wide range of computers. It offers fluid remote control with adaptive compression and encryption for secure connections. Jump Desktop works on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, with a strong focus on user-friendly setup and integration. Its strengths include easy configuration, multi-monitor support, and seamless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse compatibility on mobile devices. Limitations include a slightly higher resource usage compared to AnyDesk and no official Linux client. Jump Desktop suits users looking for versatility across different remote protocols and devices, especially those who prioritize ease of use and multi-device connectivity. Comparing AnyDesk and Jump Desktop highlights trade-offs between speed and protocol flexibility. AnyDesk excels in delivering ultra-responsive remote sessions with minimal lag, perfect for tasks requiring real-time interaction. Jump Desktop shines with its support for both RDP and VNC, offering broader compatibility with various systems, but at the cost of slightly higher latency. For example, IT support teams needing quick, secure access might prefer AnyDesk, while users managing multiple device types and protocols may find Jump Desktop more convenient. Security is strong on both, but AnyDesk's proprietary codec provides an edge in performance. Resource consumption favors AnyDesk, making it better for lower-end hardware or unstable networks. Choose AnyDesk for fast, secure remote access with minimal latency, especially if you need high performance on diverse platforms and limited resource usage. Jump Desktop is the top pick if you require easy setup and multi-protocol support across devices, prioritizing flexibility over absolute speed. Both tools deliver reliable remote desktop experiences, so select based on your specific workflow and device ecosystem.